Good morning, children. We have successfully completed our first chapter. Okay, and we have conducted one test paper also. I think all of you have attended that test paper. And we have started our second chapter. Which is our second chapter? That is multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, how to multiply different type of fractions. And we have studied how to multiply a fraction and a whole number and how to multiply two fractions. In the last class we have studied these two multiplications. Okay, how to multiply a whole number and a fraction and how to multiply two fractions. Different types of fractions are there. That is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. And we have studied how to multiply two proper fractions. Okay, and improper fraction also. Next type of fraction is mixed fraction or mixed numbers. Today we are going to study how to multiply two mixed numbers. Okay, so we can discuss the questions. So today we are discussing how to multiply mixed numbers. Okay, so first question, we have a mixed number 4 2 by 3. We are multiplying 4 2 by 3. It is a mixed number or mixed fraction. Okay. Here we need to multiply this 4 2 by 3 into 9 by 7. And we have studied how to convert a mixed number into a proper fraction. Do you know how to convert? We need to change this mixed number into improper fraction. How will you change this mixed number? We need to multiply the denominator with the whole number part. Okay, that is 4 2 by 3 is equal to, we need to multiply this denominator with the whole number part. That is 3 into 4 and add the numerator plus 2 by the denominator. It is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2 by 3. That is 14 by 3. So this is the improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction of the mixed number 4 2 by 3. So instead of multiplying this mixed number, we can write our 14 by 3. That is 4 2 by 3 into 9 by 7 is equal to, this 4 2 by 3 is equal to 14 by 3. 14 by 3 into 9 by 7. Okay, now we can multiply these two fractions. To multiply these fractions, first we need to remove the common factors. Here 14 and 3. Is there any common factor in 14 and 3? Here 14 is not a multiple of 3. Okay, so therefore there is no common factors. Here 9 and 7. There is also here 7 and 9. They are not there is no common factors. So next we can check this 14, this numerator and this denominator. Is there any common factor? 14 and 7. 14 is a multiple of 7. So we can remove that common factors. And here the denominator is 3 and here it is 9. Is there any common factor? 3, right? Then we can remove that common factors. Then 14. How many 7s are there in 14? 2. and here we have 1. Okay, and here there is 1, 3, and here 3. So it is equal to 2 by 1 into 3 by 1. Then we can multiply the numerators, that is 2 into 3 by 1 into 1. That is 2 into 3 is 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means 6 itself. Okay, so to multiply a mixed number and a fraction, first we need to change the mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, then multiply as usual. Clear? We can discuss one more question. Our second question is 3, 4 by 7 into 7 by 8. Okay, here also we need to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, that is 7 into 3 plus 4. 7 into 3 is 21, 21 plus 4, 25. So this fraction 3, 4 by 7 is equal to 7 into 3 plus 4 by 7, and here it is 7 by 8. Okay, which is equal to 7 into 3, 21. Sorry, here it is plus 7 into 3 plus 4. What is 7 into 3? 21. 21 plus 4, 25 by 7 into 7 by 8. Okay, now we have to now we changed this improper fraction into proper fraction. Okay, so we have two normal fractions. Here it is a improper fraction and it is proper fraction. Okay, now we can check is there any common factors in the numerator and denominator. It is 25 and 7. There is no common factors, and here 7 and 8. Okay, there is no common factors, but here the denominator is 7 and here the numerator is 7. So common. Here 1. Okay, and 25 and 8. There is no common factors because 25 is not a multiple of 8. It is even number, it is odd number. Okay, then it is 25 by 1 into 1 by 8. Which is equal to 25 into 1 by 1 into 8. That is 25 by 8. Okay, here 25 by 8. It is a improper fraction. Okay, so we can change that into mixed fraction. This 25 by 8. How will you change an improper fraction into mixed fraction? 25 by 8, which means 25 divided by 8. Okay, so we need to divide this 25 by 8. How many 8s are there in 25? 3. 3 into 8, 24. Then 25 minus 24, 1 is balance. Okay, then here we can rewrite this as, here the quotient is 3. Then 3 as the odd number part, 3, 1 by 8. So this 25 by 8, it is an improper fraction, so we can convert that into mixed fraction. which is equal to 3 1 by 8. Here you may check 3 into 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 and the denominator is 8. Is that clear? Okay, we can discuss some more question, that is from exercise part. From exercise 2.1, third question. Here we have discussed one mixed number and a normal fraction, improper fraction or proper fraction. Okay, a mixed number into a proper fraction. And if you are multiplying two mixed fraction, what will you do? Nothing. If there are two mixed numbers, we need to convert that two mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, we can discuss that type of one question. Question is 3 1 by 8 into 3 1 by 8 into 2 3 by 5. Here we have two mixed numbers. Okay, so our first step is we need to convert these two improper numbers into, two mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, that is 3 into 8 or 8 into 3 plus 1 by 8 into this 5 into 2 plus 3 by 5. That is denominator into whole number part plus numerator by denominator, and here also denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. Okay, equal to 3 into 8, 24 plus 1, 25. It is 25 by 8 into 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Okay, now we have two improper fractions. Then we can check, is there any denominators? Is there any common factors? Is there any common factors in the numerator and denominator? It is 25 and 8. There is no common factors. 13 and 5. Is there any common factors? No. Next we can check this 25 and 5. So 25 is a multiple of 5. How many 5s are there in 25? 5. Okay, 8 and 13. There is no common factors. So now it is become 5 by 8 into 13 by 1. Okay, then we need to multiply this 35 in numerators, that is 5 into 13 by 8. That is 13 into 5 into 13 divided by 8. Okay, what is 5 into 13? 13 into 5 is 65 by 8. Okay, it is a improper fraction. So we can change that improper fraction into mixed fraction. That is, we can divide the 65 by 8. 65 divided by 8. How many 8s are there in 65? 8. 8 into 8, 64. Remainder 1. So this 65 by 8 become 8 1 by 8. Okay. I think it is clear. Nothing. Here we have two mixed numbers. So first of all, we are converting these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, then we have removed the common factors from the numerators and denominators. Clear? We can discuss some more questions. Next question. 4 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3. 4 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3. Okay, here 4 1 by 2, it is a mixed number, into 3 1 by 3, another mixed number. So first we need to change them into improper numbers. Equal to 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Directly I am writing the improper fraction. Okay, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2 into 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Okay, now we have changed these two mixed numbers into improper fraction. Then remove the common factors and multiply. Here 9 and 2, there is no common factors. 10 and 3, there is also no common factors. Now we can check 2 and 10. There is 5 2's are there in 10, and here 1 and here 3. Okay, then it is 3 by 1 into 5 by 1. 15 by 1. 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 1, 1. And it is 15 by 1 means 15. Okay, I think all of you have clear how to multiply two mixed numbers. Okay, how to multiply two mixed numbers and one mixed number and a proper fraction. Okay, that's all for today. We can discuss the division in the next class.